If you wake up tired every single day, even after getting what seems like a full night's sleep, this is not something you should ignore. In fact, it might be one of the earliest warning signs your body is trying to send you. And the truth is, most people completely miss it. They brush it off. They blame age, stress, or a busy lifestyle. But what if I told you that constant morning fatigue could be your body quietly struggling with something much deeper, something more serious? Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and instead of feeling refreshed, you feel heavy, almost like your body didn't rest at all? Your head feels foggy, your eyes feel tired, and even simple tasks feel like a burden. You might think, maybe I didn't sleep well, but then it keeps happening. Day after day, week after week, that's when it stops being normal. As a doctor, I've seen this pattern in many patients, especially those over 50. They come in with a simple complaint. I just feel tired all the time. No pain, no major symptoms, just constant fatigue. But when we start looking deeper, we often discover something they never expected. Sometimes it's your heart. Yes, your heart. When your heart is not pumping blood as efficiently as it should, your body doesn't get the oxygen it needs, even while you sleep. So instead of recovering overnight, your body remains in a state of low energy. That's why you wake up tired, not because you didn't sleep, but because your body couldn't fully recharge. And here's the part that worries me the most. This doesn't happen suddenly. Your body gives you small signals first, very subtle ones. For example, do you feel slightly out of breath when doing normal activities? Do your legs or feet feel heavy by the end of the day? Maybe you've noticed a bit of swelling around your ankles, or your shoes feeling tighter than usual. These are not random changes. These are clues. Another common cause is poor blood circulation. When blood flow slows down, especially during sleep, your muscles and brain don't receive enough oxygen. This leads to that drained, exhausted feeling in the morning. Some people even describe it as feeling worn out before the day even begins. And then there's something many people overlook: sleep quality. You might be in bed for 7 or 8 hours, but that doesn't mean your body is getting deep, restorative sleep. Conditions like sleep apnea, which is very common in older adults, can interrupt your breathing multiple times during the night without you even realizing it. Your body wakes up again and again, not fully, but just enough to disrupt your rest. So when morning comes, you feel like you barely slept. I remember one patient, a 62-year-old woman who came to me with this exact issue. She said, "Doctor, I sleep early, I wake up on time, but I feel exhausted every morning." She thought it was just aging, but after some tests, we found she had early signs of heart strain and mild sleep apnea. The good news? We caught it early. With proper treatment and small lifestyle changes, her energy slowly came back. But not everyone is that lucky, because most people ignore this sign. They rely on coffee, they push through the day, they tell themselves it's normal. But your body doesn't work that way. It doesn't just get tired for no reason. It always has a cause. Now here's something important you need to understand. I'm not saying that waking up tired always means you have a serious illness. Sometimes it could be stress, poor diet, or lack of physical activity. But when it becomes a pattern, when it happens every single day, that's when you need to pay attention. So what should you do? First, observe your body. Notice how often this happens. Is it every morning? Does it improve during the day, or do you feel tired all the time? Second, check for other signs: shortness of breath, swelling in feet, dizziness, irregular heartbeat. Even small changes matter. Third, improve your daily habits. Reduce salt intake, stay hydrated, and try light physical activity like walking. Movement helps improve circulation and support heart health. And most importantly, don't delay seeking medical advice. A simple checkup can reveal a lot. Sometimes catching a problem early can literally save your life. Your body is always communicating with you, but it doesn't shout at first. It whispers. It gives you gentle signals, like waking up tired every day. The question is, are you listening? Tonight, before you go to bed, take a moment. Think about how you've been feeling in the mornings. And tomorrow, when you wake up, don't just rush into your day. Pause for a second, notice your body, because that simple awareness could be the first step toward protecting your health. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you.